Mr. Mittal will deliver his talk on big data, blockchain, and beyond. He is managing director in ICSI. Please, sir.
A very good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. So I could listen part of deliberations made by Dr. Mehra, and thereafter, in bits and pieces, I could hear. I'm really missing it as I have to travel to Jaipur suddenly from Delhi, so I am not physically present there. But I will not bother you for much. But for much of a time, I should share my experiences with big data, which we are having in certain ministries in Government of India. I had been part of the team which was handling the data processing and data implementation of big data systems, along with Dr. Ajay, who has written this book. And I would like to share two basic things: data ownership and data governance. Because these two things, I think, linked. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, sir, we had been implementing system for all the state, and we were having data equivalent to I should say that around 100 TB data we were having. Some of that was transaction data, and some of the chunk was master information about beneficiaries. So, and states were asking that piece of data which they had keyed in into my system for further analysis, report generation, or certain other usage or linking with other systems. But in due to lack of any SOP of data sharing, certain time we were hesitant to get their data handed over to them because there were certain apprehensions. And I salute to this technology intervention of blockchain, that it has made this possible today in very cost-effective manner, that even the data, if it is shared, its mirror image or its second copy or its part at other hand could be made foolproof. So this is the one thing which I think has been done beautifully with this technological intervention. Another thing which I found very important with respect to treasurer or big data, that certain time data for meaningful purpose analysis, after certain time it will be of no use, of its value will be decreased. So we should be promoting all our data owners with the technological tools and the way where they can preserve the sanctity of data, and on the other hand they can also share their same data set with other players for meaningful analysis and further usage. And as MD Nixie, I am owning a few data centers across India. And after the talks of data governance or data privacy, proposed data privacy bills are on, I think these technological intervention also get more and more ground. And along with blockchain, I think quantum computing is another area which has to be taught to my engineering graduates in two sense. And I am ready to help if your platform can be one catalyst. So I am ready to offer my services there through my Center of Excellence of Data Analytics where we are analyzing and we are helping multiple ministries, departments for meaningful analysis of data. So to summarize my thing in this evening, I should say that is not so important, but caring the data and getting that data groomed well, so the data values can be graduated to desired level is equally important. And I wish this this blockchain and quantum computing and these upcoming technologies is going to help us a lot. Best wishes for the organizers of this conference, and my sincere thanks to all the participants to listening me. Thank you very much.